Okay, we are back with some more Taylor Swift. Next up is Eyes Open TV. The More Red. Is that actually what it's called? The More Red, like red but deluxe? The More Red. Interesting. Produced by Christopher Rowe and Taylor Swift. Classic. Check it out.
Everybody's waiting, everybody's watching, even when you're sleeping. Keep your eyes open.
Oh shit, I didn't expect that. What the fuck? Dude. Okay.
Eyes
What the fuck?
open.
What? Oh my god. Oh, I love that.
The tricky thing is yesterday we were just children, playing soldiers, just pretending, dreaming dreams with happy endings. In backyards, winning battles with our wooden swords. But now we've stepped into a cruel world where everybody stands and keeps score. Keep your
Oh.
eyes open. Everybody's waiting for you to break down. Everybody's watching to see the fallout. Even when you
Damn.
sleeping, keep your
Open.
eyes
Okay. Dude, this is like some rock. Would it be? It's not metal. It's like a rock, heavy rock, dude. But it's fire. It's fucking fire. I'm trying to think. Like we've heard like Taylor dip into this genre before, but with this style, it just seems more rock, more rock. And it seems like this is about fame, right? Everybody's watching, even when you're sleeping. It's like you're famous and everyone's watching and tweeting about you and stuff even when you're sleeping. But then she goes back to like when she was younger, and you were none of the world really concerned you. You were just so like careless and carefree. I mean, and the world was just so much better. But then you step into a cruel world, yeah, and everyone, damn, growing up, dude.
eyes open. Keep your eyes
Ah, man, those guitars.
Keep your eyes open.
Wait, this is Taylor's version. I wonder how different is the original to Taylor's version? How different is it? Because I know some of them sound very similar, but this one, I'm curious.
So here you are, two steps ahead and staying on guard. Every lesson forms a new sky.
I love the would it be a cadence? Every lesson forms a new scar. There's like a pause, and it's like the syllables. You know what I mean? The sequence of the syllables. I'm sounding very the sequence of the syllables, but like I like it. It's a really good pacing to the flow.
Every lesson forms a new sky. They never thought you'd make it this far.
Oh.
But turn around, all they've surrounded you, it's a showdown. And nobody comes to save you now. But you got something they don't, yeah, you got something they don't. You just gotta keep your eyes open. Everybody's waiting for you to break down. Everybody's watching to see the fallout. Even when you're sleeping, keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open.
Dude,
Keep your eyes, keep your feet
oh.
ready, heartbeat steady. Keep your eyes open. Keep your
That was sick. There's a little drum break. Yes. God damn. Dude, this is, it's like punk rockish.
Everybody's waiting for you to break down. Everybody's watching to see the fallout. Even when you're sleeping. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open.
This is nice. This is nice. Okay. I love hearing stuff like this. I absolutely love hearing stuff like this because we've heard a little bit of stuff like this from Taylor, but I love hearing more stuff like this where it's just genres that aren't her main genre. I love when artists do that in general. Because if an artist sticks to the same genre for like 10 years, kind of like, what are you doing? You know what I mean? Like, but when they like switch shit up, that's where like an artist really grows and learns and takes elements from different genres and can mix it in their own, dude. Oh, this is for the soundtrack of the first Hunger Games movie, sung by the protagonist, Katniss. Oh, damn. And how the people are watching her every move. Okay, dude, I get that. Wow, I get it. And everyone wants her to fail, right? Because she's like the last district, like the poorest district or something, and everyone hates them, I guess. I haven't seen the Hunger Games in a while. I still want to watch the more recent ones because I only remember watching like the first one and maybe the second. Wow, was this in the movie? 4 songs. Interesting. Holy shit. We needed this. Still obsessed with the song after all these years. Masterpiece. Ridiculously good. So amazed. What the fuck? I woke up and was not prepared to hear this beauty. Audio. Why am I the only one that did know this was in the movie? I didn't even know either. Thinking it should be. I've never thought like, oh, this song should be in this movie. But yeah, I hope these extra tracks get CD release. Maybe they'll be on Speak Now TV. Wait, why would this be on Speak Now if it's from Red? Wait, is it from Red if it's from Hunger Games? I'm a little bit confused. But that shit was fire, man. When all those guitars and shit came in, I didn't expect that at all. I didn't even expect that, and it was a nice surprise. Nice surprise. Dude, it's tough. It's a tough track. And now that I like think about the Hunger Games aspect, you can kind of hear the song differently. And I kind of, to be honest, I kind of wish I didn't know the Hunger Games thing, because now it's like I'm just thinking Hunger Games, and it's like it's making me hungry. I'm kidding, but I am kind of hungry. I liked it without knowing the Hunger Games thing, but still, really cool song. Goes hard. Love Rock Taylor. Really cool, man. Keep it elite. I will keep. What will I rate this track? I think I'm gonna go with an 8. Y'all are guessing 8. 8-8. A strong 8-8, dude. Eyes open. No, again, I'm curious though about the original Eyes Open. Like, is it go as hard? Does it go as hard? I don't know. But 8-8 for me, man. Really dope track.